We're back out here at the farm with our HK 2500N Hisckeno. Guys, if you remember, this is our entry-level skid steer. You've already seen what it can do with the Harley rake. So we're going to test out its lift capacity here today. As you can see, we've got our grapples on here. We got ourselves a hay bale we're going to try to pick up. Let's just see what this sucker can do. And folks, you can probably see in the video, these are heavy duty grapples and they are tough. We'll just move it a little chunk at a time, guys. It's all good. There we go. See, now we got this old telephone pole concrete here that we're gonna look at that, folks. Doesn't even have a good grip on it. They picked it up with ease. Check it out, folks. This thing's pretty tough. Entry level. We have one even bigger, guys. One even stronger, which we'll debut that one here in a few. See, it's handling the leveling real good. As you can see, as we pointed out in one of our walk-around videos, how that sprocket's moved closer to the center to help with the lift capacity on the front. As you can see, this thing is real sturdy with that weight that he is just hauling with it. Smooth hydraulics, smooth operation. Check it out, folks.
Okay, hey guys, the work day's over. I've heard the dinner bell and I think it's about time for us to pack up and head home. But hey guys, we really appreciate you tuning into the channel. All of us at Hisckeno are very grateful. Before we do check out though, I also want to make you aware that we offer a 2-year warranty, guys. We offer a 2-year parts and labor warranty on all of our equipment, with the option to purchase a 3rd year. Guys, we believe in these machines. We trust these machines. We know these things are tough. But we also know and realize that if or when things happen, repairs need to take place, we want you taken care of. We want you back out in the field, back at the workplace, using these machines for what you bought them for. Again, thanks for tuning in. Check out the next video. We can't wait to see you. See you soon.